Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to share two Christmas air dry clay projects that I made. One is a Grinch candy dish and the other one is a gingerbread man garland. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so for our first project, we're going to be starting out with the gingerbread man garland. Roll out your clay, and I'm going to be using this jar that I found around my house so that I can trace out 3 circles. And I'm doing this to turn the circles into peppermints on my garland. Make sure to smooth out any rough edges if you have them. I like how these look, so I'm going to let them dry. Next, I'm moving on to our gingerbread men, and I printed out a gingerbread man outline to use as my stencil. You could also use a cookie cutter if you have one. And then I decided to trace out 4 gingerbread men. Once again, smooth out any rough edges. I'm using a bottle cap to trace out 2 small circles because I'm going to use them as lollipops for my gingerbread men. And then I'm also going to trace out 2 small candy canes. Here I'm attaching the candy canes using some water. And then here I'm attaching the lollipops. I also rolled out a small coil of clay for the lollipop handle. Now I'm going to let my gingerbread men dry for a few days.
8 hours later.
Alright guys, so here's everything dry, and I'm going to give these all a light sand. So now I'm going to paint my peppermints. Next, I'm going to paint my gingerbread men, and I didn't really care to make these too neat, and actually this would make a great craft to do with your kids if you have any, because you could have them decorate these and then, hang this up, and it would just be so cute. By the way guys, I'm using fabric paint to make it look like these guys have frosting on them. And then for the little buttons, I'm using mini M&Ms. Back to the peppermints for a sec. I'm going to seal these with some matte Mod Podge. So here's what we've got going on, and I decided not to seal the gingerbread men because I like them just how they were. I'm going to use some twine to finish making my garland. The first thing I did was tie a loop at the end so that this could hold my garland up. Then I measured out 6 inches from where my loop was, and that's where I decided to hot glue on my first gingerbread man. Then I measured out 7 inches from where my gingerbread man was, and that's where I hot glued on my peppermint. And that's pretty much what I did to attach all of my figures. After attaching my last gingerbread man, I measured out another 6 inches of length and then I tied a loop at the end, and that's it, we're done. For this project, I bought this Grinch outline on Etsy. I'm going to be using this as my stencil, and I'll make sure to link this down in the description box for you guys. Okay guys, so have your clay rolled out and place your stencil on top and then trace it out. Make sure you also trace out all of the little details on the Grinch. Peel off your stencil and then your beautiful Grinch should be revealed. So now I'm going back in and fully tracing out my Grinch. I'm adding a little water back onto the clay to make it easier to work with, and then I'm using a dotting tool to go back over all of the details on the Grinch to make them more prominent. Using some water on my fingers, I'm going to smooth out all of the edges. Taking this old cutting board that I found, it's also kind of curved, which I liked, and so I'm going to place my Grinch on top of this to let it dry for a few days.
3 days later.
Here's our beautifully dried Grinch, and now it's time to paint. And I'm starting off by priming this with some white paint. For all of the little details on the Grinch, I'm going to go in with some black paint. Lastly, I'm going to seal our Grinch with Deco triple thick gloss glaze, and that's it, we're done. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!